السلام. وقال سلام. صدر العاقل صندوق سره، والبشاشة حبده، والاحتمال قبر العوب. المسالمة خباء العوب.
A wise person's chest is secrets, a set of love, and patience and tolerance is the grave of faults, or Imam Ali said instead, reconciliation is covering faults. Imam Ali, as, points to 3. 1. A wise person's chest is the vault of their secrets. Vault is a metaphor for the chest, like how people protect their wealth in a vault. A wise person should protect their secrets in their chest and not reveal them, as your secret is your captive, but if you reveal it, you become its captive. A hadith says, as long as your secret is in your chest, it's your captive, but if you reveal it, you become its captive, meaning you'll have to prevent those who know from telling others. 2. A smile is the net of love. Net is a metaphor for a smile, attracting people and increasing followers, unlike a frown, which repels them. A hadith says, a believer has a smile on their face and grief in their heart. 3. Patience and tolerance is the grave of faults, a metaphor meaning people forget a patient's faults, burying them, focusing on their good qualities. Alternatively, Imam Ali, as said, reconciliation between people buries faults, making people remember the peacemaker's good quality and forget their faults. A peacemaker has a high status with Allah and is rewarded greatly, as a hadith says, when someone goes to make peace between two people, angels send blessings on them until they return, and they'll be given the reward of Laylat al-Qadr.